AI Mind, the intelligent core behind the 63-engine governance architecture. Introduction. The AI Mind represents the central intelligence that powers the complete 63-engine governance architecture within NeuroGov Advanced AI Enterprise. Rather than functioning as an isolated artificial intelligence model, the AI Mind serves as the enterprise's cognitive center, orchestrating intelligence, governance, reasoning, policy enforcement, evidence generation, and assured decision-making. Every engine contributes specialized capabilities while the AI Mind synchronizes them into one governed intelligence platform. This architecture transforms AI from a predictive technology into a trusted enterprise decision ecosystem. 1. AI Mind, the enterprise cognitive brain. At the center of the architecture lies the AI Mind, continuously learning from enterprise data, organizational knowledge, governance policies, operational experiences, and runtime calculations. Unlike conventional AI systems that primarily generate predictions, the AI Mind reasons through governance layers before every recommendation reaches management. It behaves as a continuously evolving enterprise brain capable of supporting strategic, operational, financial, and regulatory decisions. 263 engines working as one intelligent system. Each of the 63 engines performs a dedicated enterprise responsibility such as data ingestion, AI reasoning, analytics, governance validation, policy execution, assurance, replay intelligence, knowledge management, certification, memory, orchestration, and enterprise monitoring. Individually they solve specialized problems, collectively they create one intelligent ecosystem where every decision is transparent, traceable, explainable, and auditable. 3. Governed intelligence instead of black box AI. Traditional AI often delivers predictions without clearly explaining why a recommendation was made. The AI Mind eliminates this limitation through governed intelligence. Every recommendation flows through Analyzer 1.0, the policy engine, decision authority, and the Assure framework before reaching enterprise users. This creates accountability, consistency, and confidence across all business operations. 4. Runtime intelligence with continuous learning. The AI Mind continuously processes runtime enterprise data instead of relying solely on static historical training. Live business transactions, operational KPIs, governance indicators, compliance metrics, trust scores, organizational stability indexes, and predictive analytics are evaluated in real time. This enables organizations to make decisions based on current business reality while maintaining governance standards. 5. Enterprise memory and knowledge evolution. One of the distinguishing capabilities of the AI Mind is its structured enterprise memory. Every governed decision, policy outcome, evidence record, and operational experience becomes part of organizational knowledge. The AI Memory Engine and AI-trained Memory Engine preserve learning, detect patterns, improve governance models, and strengthen future recommendations without compromising auditability. 6. Explainable governance for executive leadership. Executives require explanations rather than predictions alone. The AI Mind produces complete management narratives, board advisories, technical analysis, functional recommendations, governance conclusions, replay intelligence, and supporting evidence. Every dashboard, chart, and recommendation includes explainable reasoning so leadership understands both the decision and its underlying business context. 7. Multi-domain intelligence across the enterprise. The architecture supports finance, HR, healthcare, manufacturing, procurement, logistics, ESG, education, retail, telecom, smart city, and many other enterprise domains using a common governance brain. Each domain GPT leverages the same AI Mind while applying domain-specific rules, KPIs, policies, and governance logic. This creates consistency across the organization without duplicating intelligence. 8. Assurance through evidence-based governance. The AI Mind never stops at prediction. Every enterprise recommendation is supported by evidence, runtime calculations, audit trails, replay intelligence, policy validation, certification status, and governance metrics. This ensures that enterprise decisions can always be reviewed, justified, and verified by management, auditors, regulators, and stakeholders. 9. The future of enterprise intelligence. The AI Mind demonstrates the transition from conventional AI toward governed enterprise intelligence. As organizations become increasingly dependent on AI-driven operations, the need for governance, explainability, transparency, and trust becomes essential. The 63-engine architecture provides a scalable foundation where AI innovation and enterprise governance coexist, enabling responsible, reliable, and measurable digital transformation. Summary. The AI Mind is the intelligent heart of the 63-engine NeuroGov Plus architecture, transforming artificial intelligence into governed enterprise intelligence. By integrating analytics, governance, policy, assurance, memory, knowledge, replay, certification, and orchestration within a single cognitive framework, the platform ensures that every decision is transparent, explainable, evidence-based, and aligned with organizational objectives. Its guiding philosophy remains: AI thinks rightward arrow, governance decides rightward arrow, assure proves. Power summary. The future of enterprise AI belongs not to systems that simply generate answers, but to systems that generate trusted decisions. The AI Mind unifies 63 specialized engines into one governed intelligence platform capable of learning, reasoning, validating, assuring, and continuously improving enterprise operations. It replaces uncertainty with governance, black box predictions with explainable intelligence, and isolated AI models with a single enterprise governance brain. The result is a scalable architecture where every decision carries accountability, every recommendation is supported by evidence, and every outcome strengthens organizational trust. About Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is an inventor, enterprise architect, author, and governance technology innovator whose work focuses on transforming artificial intelligence into governed enterprise intelligence. He is the creator of NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise, Analyzer 1.0, the Governance Brain, and the Enterprise Governance Architecture that integrates AI reasoning with policy-driven decision authority and assurance. His work emphasizes runtime intelligence, explainable AI, enterprise memory, governance validation, and audit-ready decision frameworks. Through his research, publications, and enterprise prototypes, Dr. Suri advocates a future where AI operates with transparency, accountability, and measurable business trust under the principle: AI thinks rightward arrow, governance decides rightward arrow, assure proves. Thank you for watching the video. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.